We facilitate continuous professional development via a weekly mentoring session with our online coach. Get online every single week and attend the live tutored meeting. All of your questions and those of others will be addressed by this specialist. This way you learn ongoing, also from others in the meetings. Hence, you simply sow seeds on a weekly basis and grow constantly. That is the key to success. Climb the ladder of your career and network with your peers all over the world. It's a form of training on the job, making this service very pragmatic. After all, it allows to master complexity, dive deep and get it all on the table. The wizard will guide you, so that you can focus on what you have to do or need to know. Start your learning journey now. Register yourself or sign up a group of employees. This is how professionalism is achieved.